Plumber's Choice would like to introduce the Plumtool Deluxe Mixer Tap Socket Set Kit. The kit contains 8 deep sockets, 2 extension bars, a universal joint and ratchet handle, and the new Plumtool palm wrench. Designed by Plumtool, the palm wrench, as its name suggests, is a palm-sized wrench that makes it easier to access and tighten flexible connectors. It will fit all common size connectors and is stored safely in the steel case with the other mixer tap socket set items. It can also be used in conjunction with the 2 extension bars, the universal joint and the ratchet to get to those hard to reach flexible connectors. As you can see, it simply clicks together and pulls apart with ease. If you would like more information on the Deluxe Mixer Tap Socket Kit, please visit www.plumberschoice.com.au or call us on 9720 8274. Another solution for plumbers from Plumber's Choice.